Assalamu alaikum, friends. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So I will share you some beautiful stone crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, every stone has a story. Her on the quiet star, they come together to form life, love, and control. To feature hand in hand, holding the sun between them, a reminder that even the simplest things can create the most beautiful ornaments, art that speak without words, right from nature on canvas, straight carpet, and not from marble but from pebbles. Each stone placed with patterns, each details attribute to power and grace. The lion seeds, the sea, timeless claim and proud, a masterpiece born from the earth itself, reminding us that beauty can rise from the simplest things. Stone silent still, yet that tells stories when placed with love. One side. Friends, on one side they're from two souls holding the sunset celebration connection, on the other majestic line symbols and coverage. This is art beyond paint and paper, natural way to showing us that even the smallest piece can create something extraordinary. Reverse. This is not just art, it's a gentle reminder that beauty comes from peaches, balance, and harmony. Breathe and watch the stone. They